Hello everybody and welcome to another video of R&R Partners. My name is Ruxandra. I am managing partner of R&R Partners law firm. I'm also a lawyer, member of the Bucharest Bar Association for over 10 years, and I'm also a doctor in law, and I teach commercial law seminars to law school students here in Bucharest. But enough about me, let's just jump right into it. Our video today is about how can you expedite your application for Romanian citizenship. If you are doing your due diligence right now, so a bit of research online regarding applications for Romanian citizenship, you might have already found some resources, some blog posts, or maybe videos like ours regarding the duration, what documents are needed. I will also leave here a card with a link to our playlist regarding Romanian citizenship, where you can find a lot of resources on this subject. But one of the things that clients ask us many times, and we see that we do not have a video yet on this subject, that's what we are filming today, is how can you actually expedite your file? How could you make the decision of the citizenship authority be issued a bit faster? Because yes, there is a standard waiting time, and there is also the exception, because in some cases you can get your citizenship a little bit faster. You can do that actually in three main ways, and we will speak about each of them right now. So, the main way that you can get Romanian citizenship faster, the most common way actually, is through the procedure called transcription. In Romanian, it is called transcriere. So to be very clear in this video, I will mostly refer to procedures for obtaining Romanian citizenship through repatriation or by ancestry. And transcription is a procedure by which basically we recognize Romanian citizenship either because you have lost it in the past or because your parents, or in some cases even the grandparents, have passed it on to you. For example, we had a client, she was Romanian but left in the communist era, and she has lived for many years in the US. Her child wanted to obtain Romanian citizenship, so we did not need to go through the extended procedure of Romanian citizenship by ancestry, gather all those documents, apply in the specific and standard way, either at the consulate or in Romania at the citizenship authority, but we could go through a much faster and easier procedure, the transcription. While in the first case, if we were to apply for citizenship by ancestry, the duration was around 2-3 years, in worst cases even 4 years. Imagine that going through the transcription procedure, you could get your Romanian proof of citizenship in just 1 or 2 months. So you can see now the advantage of that. However, do remember that not everybody qualifies for the transcription of Romanian citizenship, and in many cases we do need to go on the longer duration procedure. We need to apply either in Romania, in Bucharest, or abroad at the consulate with a big set of documents and wait for a few years in order to get the Romanian citizenship through ancestry. I will give you an example where we needed to do that, so we could not do the transcription one. We had a client whose mother was also a Romanian citizen, but she only got Romanian citizenship after they gave birth to their child. So for example, if I know my parents are Romanian, but I only apply for Romanian citizenship by ancestry after I have my child, at the moment when I give birth, I cannot actually pass my Romanian citizenship to them because there's nothing to pass, and my child will need to later apply for Romanian citizenship through the standard and longer procedure. But now, let's go back to the ways by which we can actually expedite the Romanian citizenship file. So after number 1, the transcription, we have number 2. Our second trick to get the Romanian citizenship faster is to ask clients to apply not abroad at the consulate, the one that is closer to their home, but actually to come, if they can, in Bucharest. Why? Because when we apply through citizenship by regaining Romanian citizenship, I will also link here a link to our video regarding this procedure because I don't want to get in too much depth. So when we get citizenship That way, so through Ancestry, we have two options. The client can apply and get their entire file to submit at the Romanian consulate abroad. For example, if they live in the US in New York, they can check the consulate which is closer to their home, or they have the second option to come to Bucharest and apply with our help. We will go together with them at the citizenship authority with the entire file, because unfortunately we as lawyers can do a lot of stuff, but we cannot do the citizenship application without the person, so the client, being present here. They just need to be present. They don't need to talk to the citizenship clerk or anything like that. Usually we, the lawyers, do much of the talking because we know the file very well, but their presence is required. And here we get to our little trick, because we've seen from all these years while processing Romanian citizenship files, helping clients with these cases, we've seen that usually the people at the consulate, so the people who are actually submitting your file while you are abroad, because they don't do only that, they are not that proficient with the file. They might ask for documents that are not really needed, while on the other hand, if you come to Bucharest, we know you need to organize this trip, so it is not very easy for everybody. The advantage is that the Romanian Citizenship Authority here in Bucharest only does that, only handles citizenship files, so they are very proficient with their work and very fast, well, faster than the consulate, and you might get your proof of citizenship much faster, which, to be honest, is not that fast usually, because yeah, even if you apply in Romania, it can take a couple of years to get citizenship. And here we get to our third trick. So besides the option of transcription, which is great for many people, or the option of coming and applying here in Romania with the help of a lawyer, you also have a third option, also with the help of a lawyer, and we've done this for clients, is to actually sue the Romanian Citizenship Authority because your file is not processed fast enough. Here clients sometimes ask us, but we don't want to enrage, right, the clerks at the Citizenship Authority. We don't want to make our situation worse. And our answer is that you do not make your situation worse in any way. When we do apply with clients at the Citizenship Authority, we also make sure that the file is correct. We have everything in order. But after about half a year where we do not get the response for your citizenship application, and believe me, you'll never get it in half a year. It never happened until now. By law, you have this option. You can take them to court. And what do you do in court? You ask them to issue a response. And this is usually faster. Although if you go to court, it can also take you 1.5 years or so. To be honest, a litigation file in Romania under 1 year is not very common, maybe in very fast procedures or in criminal law, but not in immigration. So even if it does take more than 1 year to get your citizenship, even in this case, imagine 1 year or 1.5 years on one side and 2, 3 years or even 4 years in worst cases on another side. So you might want to go to court, even if it takes an extra step with your lawyer and you do need counsel. So you could potentially sue them yourself, but we do not recommend that because the procedure is quite specific and you maximize your chances if you go with a lawyer. If you try to sue the Romanian Citizenship Authority yourself and you do not succeed in any way, you might not be able to do it a second time with a lawyer. So bear that in mind. Speaking of citizenship applications, if you do need our help with your citizenship either by naturalization or repatriation procedure, so citizenship by ancestry, you can email us at office@rrpb.ro, or you can book a legal consultation on our website. I will try to leave the link somewhere here, and you also find it here in the description of the video. Now, if you watch this video until the very end, you know the 3 ways that you can use to obtain Romanian citizenship faster, which are transcribing your citizenship, so what we call in Romanian transcriere. Secondly, you can apply for citizenship by ancestry in Romania at the Citizenship Authority, not abroad at the Romanian Consulate. And thirdly, if you do apply in Bucharest at the Citizenship Authority, you can actually take them to court and demand for your file to be processed faster. Speaking of taking the citizenship authority to court, funny thing is that a couple of weeks ago, we as the Bucharest Bar Association, so as lawyers, we got this letter from the citizenship authority here in Romania saying that they want a list with all the citizenship files that were applied using Romanian counsel, so Romanian lawyers, because they want to expedite them. So that makes us believe that not only are they going to, of course, issue your Romanian citizenship faster if they are sued, but also because when you apply with a counsel, they do take their time with the file and check it more thoroughly. They know that the file is usually correct. And again, you might get your response faster than if you applied by yourself. This is about it for today regarding Romanian citizenship. If you need more information on this topic, do check our playlist. You will find it on our YouTube page. Up until next time, don't forget to follow us on social media. We are quite active on LinkedIn, Instagram, and Facebook. And you can check our playlists regarding immigration law in Romania, Romanian residency, and also Romanian citizenship here on our channel. See you soon and have a lovely day. Bye bye.